Welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how the interface of Replit looks like. So once you log into Replit, you will see a big chat box here wherein you can put in your prompt for an app that you want to create. Below here, you have a drop down wherein you can select the type of app that you want to build. So our options is you can have it auto chosen for you. If you want to do a modern web app, you select this. So this is made with React and Node.js. Then if you want an interactive data app, let's say you want charts or graphs in your application, then Streamlit and Python is the best tech stack for that. Then if you want to create a game, then you can create it using this option, which is using 3JS for games and simulations. And if you want to create a web app, but it's Python based, then you select this last one here. So we go back to the chat box. Below the chat box is you have an attached file wherein you can attach a file. Let's say an image that you want to get inspiration from. Then you have a few options here, like if you want to create like a So you have another option here, which is to create a waitlist website, for example. When you click this, it will just populate the chat box with the sample prompt. You can select this AI chat as well. It also has this improved prompt feature that we will show later. This will help you improve your prompt by adding more details or making it more comprehensive. Then below the chat box, you can see that there's a list of recent apps that you built. So this is a convenient way of accessing your previous apps. So in the left sidebar, you have your home screen where we are right now. Then you have your apps. This one is similar to the one below, like a list of apps that we already built previously. Then you have your deployments to show, the apps that you have deployed. So right now we don't have anything yet deployed, so it's not showing anything. Then you have your usage. So if you want to get into details of, how much credits have you used, then you go to this page and it will give you a very detailed breakdown of the cost of each generation and even the deployments that you are running. We'll go into detail later on this usage, on how Replit builds usage in a later section. Then another link here in the left sidebar is the themes. So you can click on that. Right now we don't have themes. So if you're just doing it individually, like using Replit individually, then you don't really have to worry about this feature unless you are part of the team and you're using Replit together. Then you have bounties, which is basically, right, if you need help, let's say you're stuck with an issue, then you can get someone else to help you. This is like your paid service to help you out. Then you have templates also. So there's a few templates that you can use to start a project. So there's a lot of templates that you can try out. So you don't really have to start from scratch. Then you have the learn section wherein you have some tutorials here, videos and some, guides that are officially published here by Replit. Then you have documentation, of course, right? So your documentation, right? All the features, you can go through this. If you're stuck with anything or you want to know about some feature in Replit. So on the top right, you have your profile photo here. Then you have your account settings. So when you click account settings, then you can change all these settings from here. Then you can also get a referral link. So when you refer somebody to Replit and he pays the plan, then you get some credits for your account. Then your profile, then you can see your profile with all the public apps that you have created. Then you can of course edit your profile, like change your name, your bio, your username. All right, so that's it. That's a good roundup of how the interface of Replit works in terms of like when you log in. We'll go into more detail on the editing and coding feature later on in the next sections.